What happens when you block someone on Instagram? In this video, I'm going to show you what will happen if you eventually block someone on Instagram, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This is our Instagram, right? So if I click on this icon, if I click on this block right now, right? When you block someone on Instagram, they can no longer find your profile. They cannot view your content. They cannot send you a message, right? And this applies to their current and any future accounts. When it comes to blocking someone on Instagram, the very first thing that would happen, right? The very first thing that happens is invisibility, right? The blocked person will not be able to see your profile, your posts, your stories, or any content you share here on Instagram. The second one is no interaction. They won't be able to search for your username, find your profile, or interact with your content in any way, including liking, commenting, or tagging, right? The third one is no messages, right? They will not be able to send you a direct message, and any existing message thread will remain in your inbox, but you won't be able to reply, right? The fourth one is no notification. The blocked person won't receive any notification that you have been blocked or that they have been blocked, right? The fifth one is multiple accounts. Blocking one account will also block any other existing official accounts that the person creates, right? So the last but not the least one is the likes and comments, right? After you block someone, their likes and comments will be removed from your photos and videos. So this is what happens when you block someone on Instagram. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Share thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.